I will showcase the import functionality. So when you do this, to import it, you just have to click on import. You can see the what are the barcode was in and the quantity was in the barcodes. I'll showcase that file as well. But you can see 272 pieces, 578 pieces has been booked into two colors, two styles are there, 10119 and 10103. So there is a we are having already the template for this. In that, what you can add only the barcode and quantity you can provide here, and based upon that, you will be able to. This is the templates basically. So through this, you will be able to import your order quantities. Now you can add it again. It will get posted. This is about this set which is converted. Then you can post this sales order separately. So this way, the order has been booked. In any case, you are having a different dates of the delivery. That also you can add it here in the last, because in some time, in some cases, we might be having an order of the same item, and in that case also we may require the. So this is particularly the product I am taking here. This is the product, and again this is the same product I am taking here, but I am having the 28 to 34 one ratio, where the 100 quantity in each size, and one order is from 30 to 36, and it is about 80 pieces, and both are having the different delivery dates. Okay, so we can say that this is required after 15 days and this is required after 10 days. So we can add this particular document, and you can see. So according to the delivery dates also, your sales order is got booked. So this way you can create a sales order, and through import, as well as the scanning, as well as you can directly select the items. Now there are few buttons available. You can delete row at any point of time. That facility you can use it. Next is that we'll see the sales order import. So in operation itself, sorry, I'm going here. In operation itself, there is a facility of import as well. So for the import, what you have to do, you have to select a template. So how you can create a template, that I will showcase, and also showing the how we can directly import the sales order or create sales order by the Excel sheet only. So for that, template is required, and the file of the import to import will be required here. So I'm just selecting the ready file with me, and I'm just importing this particular document. You can see the the file has got imported, and the log is there for this particular customer. This is the customer code, and these are the like the name of the customer. How many rows in particular order it's showing. Whatever the documents are created, which are sales orders. So based upon that, we are getting message also. In this particular say, document, you can see the sales order is created, and like imported order ID, the reference, further few details related to web order ID, and all those things, like is coming here. Also, one of the document is there in that two, like this is particularly the different size barcode, and this is particular the different size barcode. So based upon that, two items also you can, like import here through the sales order import functionality. The question is how we can create this template which is selected here. You can create the multiple templates. Why again this is required? There will be the question in case of like B2B or B2C, you are getting an order online or on the through the marketplaces. So you are getting a dump from the website directly, or like you are getting the like order SKUs in and quantities in Excel itself. So that kind of Excel sheet there can be there. I'm just opening here the Excel sheet. Okay. So there is the fixed format when I am downloading any order list from the online portal, and several columns are there. You can see there are around the 109 columns are there. So out of it, I have to give the mapping exactly which data I need to send it in which field of the uh, SAP B1. So for that, what we are having is there is the import template. Like you can set it up. This is the user right now it is registered in the default forms. You can create different templates. This is the header in which you can say that is that what kind of order is. So is that you can provide that information, and is that order having the like retail, or order type is retail or B2B actually. And next is that order having the multiple orders. So yes, obviously there are multiple orders in particular sheet. What is the unique key in that particular sheet is, so when we are like identifying this particular document, that at that point of time we are getting this particular unique field which is display order number, then the card number. There you can see the two ways of providing the card number available. One is that channel name, another is that the code of the customer directly, the customer code, which is you can call as a BP code. So that is provided here. When we say that the like card code is supposed to be read from the this particular field. Further to it, you can see there's a field, there's a field, you can say that channel name. So this has been like entitled there. Further, we want to add a customer or not, that we can define. Is the card type, what kind of card type is, so that we can, is that provide, you have to read it from the document, or you have to read it from the, like which you have provided directly. So through, like read and directly import it, that card type we have to provide it. Only the two type of card type available. One is that read only, read from the sheet, which is this field. And if you are providing the direct card code, then you have to provide the card type as well. So what kind of net price type, net and gross price, we can define that way. There are some, like the values available with us, and G we can you can give it. So tax is inclusive or exclusive, that will get determined from this particular uh, price type, whatever the pricing you are providing in the template, which is included or excluded tax that you can provide. What will be the sales order, series you have to provide here? Exactly, which series of the document the sales order should get booked. So accordingly, you can provide it. Some in some case we have a B2B series and B2C series as well. So you in sales order document that you can provide it. So order type as B2B and B2C, so that we can provide here. Next is that we want to add a retail card information. So when B2B is there, so not adding, sorry, in some cases we want to add the retail card information, and in some cases we don't add the retail card information. What is the retail card information when we are posting a sales order? Then you can see here on the right hand side of the document in user defined fields, there is some information. This is the retail address and retail code, and so this way we want to add the retail card or not, so we can define that. And further to it, we can define exactly the sales order should be get booked in which like warehouse, and then what is the target document object code we have to define here. We can provide a sales order invoice as well. So both things are available so that you can do it. Next is that there is a mapping available in each template. So in that provided, these are all column numbers, and in that what are the fields available in the template. Is that mapping is on the header level or in on the row level that supposed to be provided here. And field type will be this only from sheet itself. And what is the field name? So this is particularly the field name which are available in SAP B1, which is you can call where the information is going. That mapping is already created. What is the field? Field one, that means obviously we are getting it on the sales order itself. Okay. So you can call like field number one is going here, and there will be the another field which is channel name, which is will find out your the what is the business partner, like why the channel name is there. Again, this is field number three. From that, because you can see that in the template haven't given provided anything as a customer code. So this channel name is defined in the business partner master data itself in foreign name. So that's supposed to be entered here. Okay, so wherever you are having this sheet, you are working with the one portal where the your multiple channel, like B2 C or marketplaces channels are available like Mindra, Amazon, and everything. Everyone is available on one platform, and you are downloading orders of all platforms in a one sheet. And if you want to book the orders of all platforms in your like customer want to book the all orders to process the orders actually. So in that case, uh, when system is reading the sales order, what the customer code is. So on the basis of this particular column, system will search the business partner for a name first, and against that only your sales order is getting booked. So further to it, these are all fields available. What exactly the fields we are, uh, providing in the header level as well as the row level. In the row level, SKU code, selling price, and what are the sales order item code. These are all fields which are coming for the template, and in case what is the exactly where it is going in the SAP at field name predefined field name with the number is available. That name we can assign, we can provide it here under the user UDF name. So this way, if we are creating any template, so in that way you will be able to use this particular functionality of the import, and whatever the 100 or 200 or 300 or 500 orders at a once through the sheet you want to import it, you will be able to do that. Uh, from here, as mentioned, based upon your document type, you will be able to book that particular document as well. Like two documents are currently available, which is one is that you can book a direct invoice, or like you can book it directly sales order as well. So this facility is provided because in some cases customer directly not booking the sales order, they want to book directly invoices into the system. That can be, they can do that. There is one of the form available for the sales, like uh, uh, accepting the order. In this also you will be able to select the sales order, and in that also you have to select your warehouse and similar kind of functionality available, but this is the vertical specifically, and you can like select one on one barcodes, and in case you want to scan it one by one, so that you can also scan it. In case you want to import your sheet again, that also you can import it through the template this way. So your order will get booked. Either you scan it, either you can select it, either you can like import it. This way you will be able to accept the order, and you can add this particular order, and you can post it. So again, this will get posted directly in SAP standard document of the sales order. Next is that you want to anyhow you want to go and see that particular posted document, you can go from here.